Welcome to the last class of this chapter, the fish tail. This classwork, what we are going to do today, already shared yesterday, so that you will write questions and will be ready for the class. All these questions you can do on your own. Simple mathematic multiplications are required for this. As you know, this chapter is about fish. Fish and fishermen, the people who sell the fish. In the last class, we have seen different variety of fish, how they sell, what is the cost per kg, and all this.
The fish man.
There is a group of some women. 20 women are there. 20 women whose livelihood is based on fish. So, Minker Bank, Meena means as eyes, fish. So this woman, there is the meeting of the Minker Bank has just begun. Fazila is the president. 20 fisher women have made their own bank. 20 women, they set up their own bank where monthly 25 rupees they want to save. So each woman will save 25 rupees. How many women are there? 20 women are there. So first question is, how much money the group is going to collect each month? So number of women in the
500.
20 members, monthly collection will be 25 rupees per woman. 20 women is 25 into 20. That is 500.
500.
So the group is going to save, the group is going to contribute, the group is going to collect 500 rupees per month. Okay. So monthly saving is 500. Next. Second question in the second question. How much money they will collect in? They will collect in 10 years. So saving in 1 year.
60,000. Sir, 60,000.
Let us see. They are asking for 10 years, no? 10 years. First of all, let us find saving in 1 year.
60,000.
1 year saving will be 500 rupees. 1 year means how many months? 12 months. Because monthly saving is given. Monthly saving is 500. So monthly 500, 12 months means.
Sir, we have to write.
You have to write the answers. Questions are there, answers you have to write. So saving in 1 year is 6,000.
10 years.
Now saving in 10 years. 6,000 into 10.
3,000. Sir, only the answers we have to write.
You have to write the working also. You have to write this. Saving in 1 year, saving in 10 years. All you have to write. As I said, this is very important. These questions we ask for 2 marks and 3 marks. Comes under descriptive. You have to write and give the answer.
First question answer is 60,000 for 10 years.
All of you, switch on the video, otherwise I will remove you from the class. Switch on the video.
Sir, money saved in 10 years is 60,000.
Yes, answer is there on the board. No need to shout. Switch on the video, otherwise I will remove from the class. Rishita, Varshit, Manikanta.
Sir, side please, sir.
Pavitra, K. Pavitra, switch on the video. Takshit, switch on the video. Abhinav, switch on the video. Takshit. Abhinav, I have told you many times. Always your video will be off. Why?
Sir, my video is on only.
No, Abhinav, your video was off. Manikanta, your video is off. Rishita, your video was off. D. Vikas, Sparsh Yadav, Harsh Yadav. Parsh Yadav, why the video was off? Why? You are removed. Manikanta, Manikanta, Rishita, Rishita,
Sir, we have tried only.
Rishita, why the video was off? Rishita, why the video was off? Tell me. Why the video was off? Rishita, answer to me. Why your video was off?
Sorry, sir.
Why the video was? No, sorry. I have told you many times. You are removed from the class. Get lost.
Write only answers. Sir, we have to write only answers.
You have to
Sir,
write
I have
everything.
a doubt.
You have to write the sentence, everything. You have to write not only the answer. You have to write everything.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Sir, in the practice time, Gracie needs money to buy a net, Jagnasri and her sister. Or sir, Jansi is her sister.
So what is your doubt?
Sir, it has written that Jansi and her sister want to buy a logboat.
Yes, Jhansi
So there
and
are
sister both want. Jhansi and her sister both want to buy a longboat. So Gracie is different. Jhansi
Gracie
is
needs
different.
money to buy a net.
Yes, they are different. So next question is, Gracie needs money to buy a net. Jhansi and her sister want to buy a longboat. So they take a loan from their bank. They will return it with interest. When you take money from the bank, whatever money you are taking, you have to return the money along with the interest, along with the additional amount that bank will collect because they are helping you giving large amount. Gracie took a loan of 4,000 rupees to buy a net. She paid 345 rupees per month.
Then the second practice time.
Amount paid each month. Gracie paying 345 rupees per month. So amount paid in 1 year.
Practice time first question.
This is the first question on that. A. This is A.
Sir, the answer is
Wait. So she has taken 4,000 rupees to buy the net. Silence. Every month she is paying 345 rupees. For 1 year she is paying. So amount paid each month is 345. Amount paid in the 1 year. 1 year means 12 months. Monthly 345, 12 months. So you have to multiply this. Multiply. 12 5 is 60. 6 will be there. 12 4 is 48. So 54. 5 will be there. 12 3 is 36. That means 41. 4,150. 4,150. The amount paid in 1 year to the bank. So she has taken 4,000 rupees, but she is paying back 4,150. It's a simple multiplication. No?
Sir, can you move?
Wait.
You, sir.
Mokshita, your video of why Mokshita.
I have to ask now.
Mokshita, your video of why?
Okay.
Whoever video off, I
Sir.
will remove them from the class.
Sir.
Bhumika, your video is off. You are removed. Mokshita, your video is off. Mokshita, what happened? Why the video is off?
My video is in on only, sir.
No, your video was off. I have taken the photo. Your video was off. K. Pavitra.
Megan also.
K. Pavitra, why the video was off? Pavitra, why the video was off? Pavitra, I'm asking you why the video was off. D. Vikas. Madhavi. Takshit.
Sir,
Yes.
sir.
Is it done? Now next. Jhansi and the sister took a loan of 21,000. So they have taken a loan of 21,000. 21,000 from the bank to buy a long boat.
B1.
They paid back a total amount of 23,520. So amount paid is 23,520. Loan taken 21,000. What is the difference? 21,000 taken, but return 23,520. Subtract, you will get the answer.
Sir, we should minus 3,520, sir.
They paid 23,520 back to the bank, but they have actually taken 20,000 only. The difference
For 1 month, they
is
paid 210 rupees.
2,520. 2,520 they have paid back.
The answer is 2,520. Sir, video is out, sir.
Completed. Next.
Sir, I have no, sir. They paid 210 rupees for 1 month. Sir, move, sir.
Video is out, sir.
2,520 they paid back.
Takshit, Sujita, and Meghna are
Look at the next question. The women of Menkar Bank also want to start a factory to dry fish. The fish, the live fish, what they take, they will keep in the fridge or deep fridge, and after a few days they will put the salt and everything. After a few days, that fish will become a dry fish. So they want to start a factory to prepare dry fish. The panchayat has given the some land for that, and over the years they have saved 74,000 rupees. So the bank, the people, the women who are running a bank, they have saved 74,000 rupees. They find out how much will they need for the factory. To start a factory, you need so many parameters, so many things you need. So they have started a table, they have drawn a table, they have gone through what is required, that everything is shown in the table. So borewell for the fresh water, 3,000 rupees. One borewell is enough for them. Bamboo rack to keep the fishes. 20 items are there. Each rack costs 2,000 rupees. Cement tank, 4 tanks they need to store the fish, and each tank cost is 1,000 rupees. Tray and knife, 20 are required. Each tray and knife set cost 300 rupees. And bucket, 20 buckets are required. 20 buckets are required. Each cost 75 rupees. Now, if you can simplify this total cost, you will get the list here.
Sir, we have to write boxes.
Yes, I have shared this yesterday so that you will write everything in yesterday itself. Instead of wasting my time. First thing is 3,000 rupees one item. So it will be 3,000 into 1. It becomes 3,000 rupees. Only one item is required, 3,000. Next, 2,000 rupees. How many items? 20 items. So 2,000 rupees into 20 will be 40,000 rupees. 2,000 into 20. 2,000 into 20 will be 40,000. Cement tank, 1,000 rupees. 4 tanks are required. 1,000 into 4 will become 4,000 rupees. Will become 4,000 rupees. Tray and knife, 300 rupees each set. 20 sets are required. 300 into 20. It becomes 6,000 rupees. Then bucket, 75 rupees each bucket, and we need 20 such buckets. 75 into 20, 1,500 rupees. So this is the capital. This much amount they have to spend if they want to start a factory.
Sir?
You have to add all the expenditures.
So 4,13,500.
It can't be in lakhs. It can't be in lakhs. It can't be in lakhs. This is 40,000. Remaining are thousands only. 6,000, 4,000, 10,000, 13,000. 14,500 plus 40. 40 plus
Sir, answer is 54,000.
54,500. 54,500 is the total expenditure to install a factory, to start a factory.
నెట్ కనిపిస్తారా దెబ్బలు పడితే గుద్దుతా
Mr. Abhinav, why you are sleeping in the class? Huh? Abhinav, why you are sleeping? Huh?
నో సార్
You are removed from the class. Get lost.
జోడాబీనా దొడ్డబీనా
Takshit, your video is off. Your camera is off.
కాదు
Takshit, why the camera was off? Huh?
My video is on only, sir.
No, no. Your video off. I will send the record of this class. You can check your video was off.
It's on.
No.
Okay.
If next time if you are not seen, I will remove you.
మా మళ్ళీ బాత్రూమ్ వస్తున్నట్టు
Stop talking. Mute yourself. Complete the table. Many questions are there to do.
బాత్రూమ్
Sir, 54,500 is the answer.
Yes, yes, yes. I did. Yeah. 54,500. All of you make it fast. Please do it.
వెళ్ళిపోయిందా కరోనా కేసు బాగా ఎక్కువైపోయినాయి.
Yes.
Sir, total lost or total last?
Total cost. Total cost.
Sir, over, sir.
Sir, not out, sir.
Okay, okay, no problem. I'm waiting here. Please carry this. Complete this. Those who completed, they can go for the next question. Harshini, stop playing. Harshini, stop playing.
Sir, 1 second, sir.
Sushant, you are not seen in the video. Pavitra, you are not seen in the video. Pavitra and Sushant.
75 into 20 is
Sushant.
the total answer.
Dinesh, you are not seen in the video. Dinesh,
So the answer is 54.
Dinesh. Why the video was off? Why you are not seen? What are you doing there? Your video should be on. You should listen the class. What are you doing? Huh? You are removed from the class. Get lost.
54,500.
Yes, so 54,500.
Yes. If it is completed, I will move to the next question. See, total cost set up the factory, that is okay. We got the answer. Next, when fresh fish is dried, it becomes 1/3 of its weight. It becomes 1/3 of its weight. It means weight of dry fish equal to 1/3 of weight of fresh fish. When a fresh fish, whatever the weight is there, when it is dried, when it becomes dry, it will lose its weight. It becomes 1/3 of the weight of the original fish. It is given that in 1 month they plan to dry 6,000 kg of fresh fish. 6,000 kg of fresh fish.
Can you?
1 second.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Abba.
Sir, you are in mute.
Sir, you are.
Sir is in the- Sir is in the mute.
Done, sir.
Yeah, keep on doing the next question.
Sir, I
Done,
too
sir.
done. Sir, done, sir.
Sir told to keep on doing the next question. 10:37. Woman. Thumbs up.
How many you did?
Sir, I did.
See here, when you buy fresh fish, the cost will be different. When you make it dry and sell, then the cost will be different. Okay. So here, they buy 6 kg of fresh fish. Cost of each fresh fish is 15 rupees per kilo. And they are make the fish dry and they are selling the dry fish for 70 rupees kilo. Okay. Now answer one by one. We dry 6 kg fresh fish. When 6 kg fresh fish made dry fish is 1/3 of fresh fish that was given in the previous question. 6 kg fresh fish they are getting and they want to make it dry. So 1/3 of that means 2 kg dry fish. 6 kg fresh fish will become 2 kg of dry fish after losing the weight as per the condition given. Okay. Now second one. 6 kg fresh fish. For that, how much amount they have to pay? 6 kg into what is the cost of fresh fish? 15 rupees. That will be 90 rupees. 90 rupees they are paying to get the fresh fish. Okay. Third one, they are selling 2 kg of dry fish. So what is the cost? 2 kg into 75 rupees will be 150 rupees. They brought fresh fish for 90 rupees. They are selling dry fish for 150 rupees. Okay. So what is the earning? What is the earning here? So what is the earning they are getting? 150 minus 90. No, it is not 75, it is 70 only. Sorry, it is 70 only. So 140. So profit will be, or earning will be 140 minus 90, that is 50 rupees. This is I think selling the fish may be a new process to you, so it looks new, but forget about the process. You concentrate on the numericals, on the numbers, on the numbers. Fresh fish, when it is made dry, 1/3 of the weight will be loose. So 1/3 of 6 will become the net weight. They brought fresh fish for 15 rupees cost per kilo. They are selling the dry fish for 70 rupees kilo. So it will become 140 and they purchase it for 90. 50 rupees profit they are getting. 50 rupees profit for 6 kg fresh fish. The last one is, suppose they buy 6,000 kg fish and they make it dry and sell. What is the profit you are going to get? For 6 kg, profit is 50 rupees. For 6,000 kg means 6 kg, 6,000 kg means 1,000 multiplication is done. 1,000. So whatever the profit, 1,000 multiplication will be 50,000. So they will get 50,000 profit if they sell 6,000 kg fish, making it to dry. So that was the answer to that. The third question is there. Third question you try on your own. If not getting, anyhow, I will share the answers for all this. Okay. So that is the end of this chapter. That is the end of this chapter. The next class we start the second chapter. So whatever is done today, questions already I sent yesterday, answers I will send afterwards. Those who have not taken the answers, they can do it, including the last question. Okay. Please complete. When you complete, please send to me, because your notebook carries marks. Every month 5 marks will be added to your notebook. Okay. Okay, fine. That's about the class.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
move, sir.
Those who want to copy, they can copy. Others, those completed, they can leave. Ma'am. Bye. Those still want to copy, they can copy this. Those who completed, they can leave the meeting. Class is done. Over.
ఒక్కసారి కట్ చేసి
అవి ఫస్ట్ నేను పెట్టించాను నా అవి
ఓవర్ సార్
Okay.
అది కూడా చదువు FUN fun RUN run DUG done MUG mug RUG rug CUB cup SUP suck BUT but చదవాలి అన్ని